We live in the connected era, where every system is evolving into intelligent infrastructure. As global complexity grows, the world desperately needs architects who can bridge the gap. Gain absolute command over your craft through 8 comprehensive chapters and 25 core objectives. Don't just learn the theory. Build and deploy robust, real-world solutions with 13 hands-on labs. Validate your growing expertise with 60 rigorous assessment quizzes designed to sharpen your precision. Accelerate your career in an industry where engineers command over $140,000 annually. Step into the future and become the certified professional that the digital world demands. Unlock your full potential and begin your journey today for only $279. If you have any questions or need further details, please reach out to our team at support@uCertify.com.